YouTube is actually easy. Anybody can make money on it. YouTube is actually easy. Anybody can make money on it. It depends on how sharp or how clever you are. It depends on how intelligent and how brilliant you are. You can make money on YouTube. It is actually easy. It's not as hard as people think. But the issue is that you have to be smart, very, very smart about it. So just listening to these few strategies and advice I will give to you so that you can maximize your stay here on YouTube and make money as fast as possible. If you have not started a YouTube channel, you are wasting time. 2025, this new year, it's time for you to start. Start now and you will not regret it. YouTube is one of the best paying platforms on earth and anybody can make money on it. It's actually easy. It's just for you to know these few hacks that I'm about to explain or I'm about to point out or let you know or teach it to you. So just be attentive and don't go. Just stay till the end. The last one is very important. It will really help you. If you are new to this channel, please like, subscribe, and share this my video. Let's dive into the main issue. The first thing you have to do as a new YouTuber or a new content creator that just started is don't sacrifice quality over quantity. Many new YouTubers think that by posting consistently or posting a lot of videos that you will break even on YouTube. No, it doesn't work that way. You must have had many teachers saying that you should post consistently. Yes, it is real. If you post consistently, number one is that you will improve with time. That is the essence of telling you to post consistently. Number two is that it depends on what you understand by consistent. If you are posting 3 times in a week and you maintain that tempo, it is consistent. If you're posting once or every week on your YouTube channel and you're maintaining that tempo for a long time, that is consistency. Now, another thing that you guys don't understand about consistency is you make sure that you're consistent with the quality of video that you're bringing out. The quality must be always there. That is, you must be consistent with bringing out or uploading quality videos. That is another thing that you guys don't understand about consistency. Consistency in quality. So don't sacrifice quality over quantity. Many young YouTubers think that by posting anything you see, poorly edited videos that does not have any value, that even when you listen to it has poor audio quality, poor video quality, and there is no value to it. If you like post like 1 million videos on your channel, you will still not go anywhere. That is why I told you that you might see people, even if you use clickbaits that are interesting, if people click on your video, they will click out immediately because they are not getting value for what they wanted to watch. What your thumbnail is saying is quite different from what you're offering. So make sure that you don't sacrifice quantity under the altar of quality. The second thing that you will do is make sure that you unlock the power of retention. The power of retention is that make sure that you hook your audience, people that are watching your videos. 30 seconds of your videos matters a lot. People are not patient on this app. Anybody that enters there wants to learn one thing or the other. YouTube is a search engine app. It's a search optimization engine app. Many people go to YouTube to look for a particular solution to a problem or to search for one particular thing or the other. So, and they are not patient about it. Once they click on your video and you spend a lot of time introducing yourself, saying a lot of the wasting time on introduction, not going straight to the point, not throwing your hook. That's what we call hook. Hook is that your intro, that 30-second intro that will make anybody that clicks to your video not to go out or to watch till the end. And it is very important for people to watch your video till the end. If your videos are not the click-through rate and people are not watching till the end, it will send a bad signal to the algorithm and it will affect the performance of those your videos. So it is very, very important that that 30 minutes, 30 seconds of that your video, that introductory part, do all you can to hold or to retain the attention of your audience. Another thing that is very important is your thumbnails and your title. If your thumbnail is not okay, attention will not be drawn to people on your content. Thumbnail is like a signboard, it's like an advert, it's like a girl that is fine. If you're not presentable or fine, nobody will even have notice you or get attention towards you because you are not attractive. Thumbnail attracts audience to your content, and it is when they will click to your content that they will know whether your content has value or not. So if you don't have a catchy thumbnail, if you don't have a thumbnail that gets attention or that attracts attention, if you don't have a clickable thumbnail, your videos will not go far. Then title is another thing. Somebody will look at that your title, and your title will be very inviting. You there are some titles that you will see, you won't have option than to click, and you will be inquisitive and curious to know what this video is all about. So make sure that you go a long way to improve yourself in retaining your audience. Number one is to draw their attention. Number two is to retain them once they have come in to watch your videos. Then number three is using of these watch more features on YouTube. There are a lot of watch more features on YouTube that YouTube provided, and many of us young YouTubers are neglecting it. These are the things that help me in getting monetized. I monetized my channel within a month and 2 weeks. Just roughly, I don't know, I will call it 50 something days that I got monetized. And this is my first ever trial on YouTube. I have not opened a YouTube channel before. I opened this channel on November 6th, 2024. And as of some weeks or some days ago now, I am monetized. You can check the channel. So I'm telling you what I have applied, and it is working for me. Make sure that you use all those YouTube watch more features like playlists. Divide your content into different topics and create different playlists for them. It will help you to increase your watch hour, because you know that new YouTubers, to get 4,000 watch hour is a Herculean task. It's very, very hard. So if you don't create or don't use all these watch more features on YouTube, you will not have watch hours the time you want to have them. It will take you a long time to reach that 4,000 watch hours threshold and even subscribers. So make sure you're using playlists, end screen, and cards. The next one is build a community. Build a community. Building a community is very, very important. That your audience, create an audience that are loyal to you. Creating an audience that are loyal to you depends on what you should be doing. You should relate to your audience. You should be replying to their comments. You'll be asking them questions. You'll be identifying those that are your top engagers, and you identify them, and you can pin their comments. You can just make sure that you show them that you're really there, and you really care. Most old YouTubers here that have made it, whenever they go off radar for a while, you see their subscribers and their community member, everybody will be asking after them, missing them, because they have built that relationship over time. And this is what YouTube values much. YouTube values engagement more than subscribers or anything. And it is that engagement that will give you the money you want on this app. The last but not the least, make sure that you use the act of a call to action. Like now, during this my presentation, you will hear me saying that if you are new here on this channel, you can subscribe, like, and share my video. This is call to action. It will help people that are watching your videos to subscribe to your channel if they like the content you're bringing out. Most of them don't even remember. That call to action helps them to really carry out that act. So these things I have mentioned now, these 5 things, if you can do them, if you can strategically and smartly carry them out, you will see in no time. If you start a YouTube channel today, in no time you start cashing out. So YouTube is actually easy. Anybody can make money on it.